Discover a harmonious blend of elegance and comfort along the tranquil shores of Lake Champlain in Bridport, Vermont. This recently updated home captures the essence of modern living infused with timeless charm. From the moment you enter, original woodwork and wide plank hardwood floors welcome you with warmth and authenticity. The spacious dining room, enhanced by a striking contemporary chandelier, create the perfect ambiance for dining and gatherings. The newly renovated kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring Vermont soapstone countertops, new appliances, and custom cabinetry. Exposed beams add a rustic touch, while the center island offers ample space for cooking and conversation. Retreat to a cozy living room filled with character, ideal for relaxing or hosting friends. The sunroom, complete with a gas fireplace, invites you to unwind and soak in the picturesque lake and mountain views. Upstairs, 2 primary suites offer flexibility and comfort for family and guests alike, ensuring privacy and convenience. Outside, 100 feet of private lake access and a heated in-ground pool await. Located just 20 minutes from Middlebury and 50 minutes from Burlington, this home offers a serene lakeside retreat with easy access to Vermont's historic charm and modern conveniences. Schedule a tour today.